Okay. So I turned on the pond, or sorry, the waterfall. So it looks pretty great, actually. So it's not all foamed here. We're gonna foam here, and then it's gonna go over top of all this. And it'll be like another waterfall down. So it is spraying right here, spraying quite a bit. Yeah. But yeah. So I need, we're gonna put like, we were thinking even just putting that rock on an angle to kind of ease the fall. But it looks pretty amazing, I think. And then all the black's gonna be gone eventually. So still some work, but we're getting there. Look, they're slow here, movement. Yeah. Awesome.